ఏ పొడవుని కింద పెడతాం అది.
मेरी तो फट गई तब ये कर रही थी. कहाँ से आँख चला जाएगा मेरा आज.
చాలు ఇంకా అంతకన్నా
ईद मुबारक सबको. आज हम मंडी चिकन बनाएंगे, वो भी पक्का मेरा घर का स्टाइल. फॉर मी मंडी चिकन मीन्स इट्स शुड बी होल चिकन. इफ यू वांट यू कैन जस्ट गिव सम गैसेस and so that the masala goes inside. Chicken should weigh around 1200 grams and should be under 1500 grams. That should be good. Marination is going to be very simple. I am doing the simple tandoori style. I've got garam masala, I have cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and some chaat masala also. Add ginger garlic paste, kasuri methi, lime juice. It will help the chicken marinate faster. Add salt, add yogurt. Mix all of this marination, add oil, apply this marination to the chicken and let this chicken sit in these juices for at least 2 hours. That's when the chicken will be nice and perfect. So both the chickens are perfectly marinated. You can leave this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or at least 2-3 hours of marination is what is good. Now after you marinating the chicken, you have to cook it. You can do in the tawa, you can do it in a steamer, you can do many ways. But for me, for the chicken to be very tasty, I prefer to put in the oven. Now look at the chicken, they are both happy. After some time, we'll take this chicken, put it at the bottom, then we'll take the other chicken, put it on the top. At least 30 minutes of cooking in the oven is required at 220 degrees centigrade is good enough. In the preheated oven for almost 30 minutes. We're going to make a very simple masala. This is the best I can do with the ingredients I have. Add a bay leaf, the black cardamom, a little bit of jeera, green cardamom, clove, peppercorn, coriander seeds, little bit of javitri, cinnamon and nutmeg, jaifal. And here is a dried lemon. They use a different lemon, but this one should be good enough. Make a powder out of this. I'm going to make a tomato salna gravy. Add some oil. Add onion, salt and let the onions slightly brown. Once the onions are slightly colored, in this add some green chili, turmeric, add ginger garlic paste, add some chopped coriander also in this. Blended the tomato coarsely, the mandi masala whatever I did, I'm just going to add little bit and let this cook nicely. We make the chicken stock with only bones, but I made it with the chicken wings. So when you eat this chicken mandi, you literally get the wings. So when you're eating, you can also pull out these chicken pieces and enjoy. Along with the chicken wings, put the stock. So this stock, make it like nice gravy and it will be good. We're going to adjust the seasoning and let it simmer for few minutes. Just pour this gravy on top of the mandi rice. I'm telling you, In the biryani handi, add oil. This is the same masala I marinated the chicken. So nothing will go wasted. And this has got all the nice flavor masala. And now here is the mandi masala. So whenever you're doing this, if you are adding dry lemon like I did, add very little lemon. Otherwise, sometimes what happens is it can be bitter. A lot of people may not add, but I love to add mint. So that is the flavor I love. And also in this, we're going to add some brown onion. This brown onion, we just love it. Add the stock, the chicken stock into this. Adjust the salt in this, just like any biryani. Pull the chicken. See, this has got nice color. You do not want the chicken to dry out. So take oil and baste the chicken. Just apply some oil on the chicken so that it is nice and perfect. So one more time, I'm just going to put this inside. This itself is so nice, flavorful. In this, the basmati rice. The basmati rice, as I've told you, after soaking the basmati rice, the rice should have good aroma. That's when your biryani will have the decent flavor. Mix this. Put the lid on. Iski aisi ki taisi. The rice is almost getting done. Look at this. Now we're going to put the chicken. Very carefully remove the chicken. Same thing with the other chicken. We're going to put it on the other side. The masala that is there in the pan, add some ghee into this. That should be good enough. Pour this masala on top of the rice. Little by little, Mary Janu. put the lid on and on a slow heat for around 10 minutes and switch off, and your awesome mandi biryani will be ready. Add some ghee in a pan, almonds, cashew nut, kishmish. एक टाइम था लैला और मजनू एक दूसरे के लिए जान दे देते हैं. आजकल का लैला ना मजनू को थोड़ा सुरमा लगा के बिरयानी बनाने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं. यही कलयुग है. In this, add eggs, and when the biryani is ready, we're going to put this and arrange it. It will be so good. Take the rice, a juicy, hot rice. Oh! Now, sprinkle the brown onion. So these nuts and raisins will give absolutely boomba taste. With the eggs also, just put eggs, slide the chicken on top of it on one side. इतना भूख लगा है, लैला नहीं आएगा तो ये मजनू मर जाएगा. लैला आजा 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 आजा. ये लैला खाना रेडी होते ही आ जाती है. आजा बैठ जा लैला. आपके लिए मैंने शोरवा भी बनाया. ये चिकन विंग्स, आपको चिकन विंग पसंद? देख उसमें चिकन विंग खींच रही है, खींच रही है. यही होता है, खींच के खाते हैं. सबसे पहले ये खाने के लिए ना चिकन लेग फाड़ना पड़ता है. ये फाड़ने के बाद तोड़ना पड़ता है. हम फाड़ते हैं, लड़कियां तोड़ते हैं. ये चिकन जो है वाह. और
ये पसंद,
जिसको जो पसंद पूरा खा सकते हैं. और वाह,
अरे मियाँ कितना अच्छा बनाया रे तू आज.
देख तू बोल रही, क्या बोल दे. ये जमाना ऐसा, बोल दे तू जो कुछ भी बोला.
अरे एकदम मस्त बिरयानी,
एकदम मस्त है ना. आप भी बनाओ, खाओ. और खाने का कैसा खाने का, दबा के खाने का. और तब अच्छा खाना ऐसा मिलता है. एक टाइम था लैला मजनू, वो लोग तो यंग में चले गए, बच्चा नहीं था. अभी ये देख कितना लंबा चौड़ा बच्चा आ गया, घुस गया और खाने लगा. ओके बेटा आजा, थोड़ा स्माइल दे दे, तेरे शक्ल दिखा के थोड़ा. ए पूरा फैमिली के साथ मस्त खाने का. और तब अच्छा खाना बनता है,
तब
खाता है. तब क्या बोलने का,
हम लोग भूल गए.
सबको ईद मुबारक. एंजॉय करो फैमिली के साथ. और खाने के बाद जरूर कहिए डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग.